Hey, good morning to you all. It is a Thursday, downside of the week here, and a little wet as we start out the day here. As you can see, Bob's Steakhouse weather cam here. We have some light rain falling, train moving in the background, and looks like the winds are pretty good out of the west. At this point, you can see the steam moving quickly toward the east here in the building there across from the runways. And again, looking pretty wet around the area through the morning as we check things out on our storm tracker at this hour. Move out just a little bit. And again, you can see we do have some shower activity here that has been moving on and off through the area for this morning. And they continue to move off toward the east. You can see other bands coming in out of Cleveland, and some of these have some pretty good downpours with them. So it looks like it will be on the wet side for the day. Have the umbrella handy for the morning, as we do expect that rain to continue. In the meantime, things are going to be changing. We have another round of some showers that'll be coming in because a cold front has passed on through. We were at 66 as early as 3 o'clock in the morning. And that has since dropped because this front has gone through. It's slowing down as it moves toward the east. And when cold fronts slow down, they do tend to get most of the rainfall behind them. And when that happens, it gets a little wet when the cooler air comes in. And it has come in here. You can see the steady rainfall here getting now even into Cleveland, just ending here in Toledo. So it's going to take several hours before that back edge makes its way toward us. And, temperatures, as mentioned, have already fallen at a pretty good clip. Bradford holding on to 55, but everyone else has dropped into the 40s. Warren, you're almost there with temperatures, again, up to 45 in Erie, 43 in Ashtabula. After that, we've been talking about some snow heading our way. How is it looking here as we check out Futurecast? Through the day, you can see the rain going on, tending to diminish as we head into the afternoon, while that colder northwest or southwest wind continues. Now, for tonight, not too bad in the evening. You can see the winds go more west. You can see some rain and snow showers develop in the evening, but not real prominent. Now, after midnight, gets a little more prominent. But there's a lot of questions here as to just how prominent it will be. In fact, I'm going to switch models here and do the other model that we sometimes show here. To see if it picks it up a little better. So you can see we go, through our early evening. Yeah, we have some, we do have, excuse me, we do have, some lake effect rain and snow. Not expect to be a big deal. And then after midnight, the darker blues get a little more prominent, but it's not really, it's kind of hard here to figure out just how much snow. Now, the Weather Service is going bullish on accumulations. In fact, they have a winter storm watch in effect, basically from south of 90 all the way to Meadville, including Ashtabula and into Geauga County in northeast Ohio. Winter weather advisories in Warren County. It looks good that we'll see. This one is a little bit colder than the last two. A little bit, not much. And with the wind still coming off the lake, I have a hard time believing that Erie, at least downtown Erie, would get more than a coating to an inch. Now, it gets a little more nebulous, like here at our studios. We're technically not, we're south of 90, just barely. So we're technically the inland sections. But I could see a solid 2 inches here, and maybe even 3, and perhaps even up to an inch or two as far north as, say, Route 20. But between Route 20, 38th Street, Grandview, Gore Road, and up toward I-90, we could see maybe closer to 2 inches. In fact, why not just put the map up here and show you instead of, trying to describe it here. a trace along the lakefront. I just don't see anything more than the trace. So the Bayfront Highway, not bad. Up to an inch, maybe up to about Route 20. Then as we head toward I-90 now and into Meadville, maybe 2 inches along the I-90 corridor. Some of you interior Erie and a lot of Crawford County as well could get up to 3 to 5, I would say. Weather Service could say saying up to 7 or 8. Can't rule that out, but my money is on more 3 to 5, which is enough. It's a heavier wet snow. In either case, it's going to be a dicey traveling for early morning travelers for tomorrow. Out toward Warren, looking at about 1 to 3. Jamestown as well, and closer to Corey, getting closer to that 3 to 5 foot or 3 to 5 inch range here. So good morning to you, Bob and Sue out there in Jacksonville. I don't know if there's snow in your forecast. Temperatures. Becky has 42 at French Creek. Hey, Becky, you could be looking at maybe up to 6 inches of snow. And keep in mind, this is mainly from midnight until mid-morning. So you're talking maybe about an 8 to at most 12-hour event. So it's not very long. So that's a lot of snow. That's the other thing. It's a short-lived event, but it's going to potentially be a decent amount of snow in that time. So be ready for that. Hey, Ed, you could maybe see about 2 to 4 out your way out there in Westmead Township there. Good morning to you. Bill out in Waterford, about 3 to 5. Hey, Charlie, hello from Bradenton. Yep. Yeah, cook some steaks on the grill and see how much you guys get. Well, we'll see how things go. You got that right. Hello, Marie. Good to see you. Almost 70. Yep. Yesterday was almost 70, or a couple days ago. Today, we're not getting out of the 40s. Hey, Ashley, 44 and rainy in Titusville. Good to see you, Ashley. First time I've seen your name there. So glad to have you aboard if this is your first time with us. Chatty Cathy, 47. Yep. Oh, yes. Thank you so much. We had a winter weather show showed on Jet yesterday. Hopefully you're able to see it. I hope you enjoyed it there. It'll be on Fox tonight at 7 o'clock in case you missed it. And it will be posted online probably Friday, probably tomorrow online. And you can watch it anytime you want. Hello to you, David. Good to see you out there in central Pennsylvania. Yep. Yeah, we'll keep the lake. Yeah, I don't see it going all the way to Harrisburg for that much. White Racing, hello. Good to see you. And Marilyn out there in the Villages. You're going to get 79 today. Good for you. Hello, Michael. Good to see you this morning. So, again, from midnight tonight, early morning commutes tomorrow will be could be a slow go or a rough go from the I-90 corridor all the way to Meadville and probably into the northwestern corner. Kathy, I don't see it quite as bad out your way in Youngsville. But again, we got 1 to 3. That's enough to make things a little dicey your way as well. And it's that wet snow. It's, upper 20s, mid 30s here in Erie. So it'll be even a rain snow mix. That's why I'm not too concerned for the lakeshore areas. Those of you that live north of Route 20, from northeast all the way to Conneaut, I think you'll be in pretty good shape for the day. So checking out how things look on Saturday. Things start to rebound as well, and that's good news. We'll have a pretty decent weather, but this upper level wave a little more prominent, and it looks like that's going to give us some showers for Sunday afternoon. And as we have a couple of graphics I need to delete here. Okay, there we go, long range. So here's, again, showers today, mainly this morning. Snow, steady at times in the inland snow belts. Again, you saw these snow amounts there. That'll lead to some, probably afternoon, things start to wind down, if anything, because the temperature should get up to about 40. Now, Saturday, partly sunny, mid-40s. Looks good for rain now for Sunday afternoon. Hey, Sue, let's see. I saw Cleveland there. Weather out there in Cleveland looks wet for the afternoon. Not too bad temperature-wise. May hit 50. If it's an outdoor craft show, bring your umbrella. I doubt it is. But that's how things are looking. Hello, Denise. Good to see you. Oh, missed several people here. Hello to you, Carol, out there in Charlotte, North Carolina. You got 58 now. Carol? Is it Paisley, Hamilton? Good to see you. And Pam All right. Okay, Nancy says her baby sister. Chatty Cathy is very adaptable. Very nice. Um, that's good. Excuse me. Okay. All righty. Got it here. All right. I'm all caught up for the most part. Now, going on now, Monday, transition day here. Rain, probably mainly rain, wet snow late in the day. A strong cold front's going to move on through. I think some lake effect is going to kick in for Monday night. And Tuesday, cold, 36. But the wind direction is more north south. That's not a good wind direction for lake effect. So I'm not real big on a lot of snow for Tuesday, at least here in Erie. Some bands may be around, especially if you're doing early traveling. It could be a little rough on the roadways. So there'll probably be some good bands, into Cleveland Monday night and Tuesday. They get a little bit more on that northerly flow, maybe even the west side as well. Quick look now. Wednesday, of course, could be a big travel day. Right now, it looks pretty good, at least here locally or in the tri-state area, the Great Lakes region. General high pressure, chilly day, but we're keeping it dry. Thanksgiving still looking good. Black Friday also not looking too bad. So we're still keeping that Wednesday, Thanksgiving, Black Friday corridor good. I haven't looked beyond that into the upcoming weekend. For many of you, especially perhaps those with college-age kids, you probably want to know how it's going to go next weekend. I'm sorry I didn't look that far out, but things aren't looking too badly there. So there you have it, everyone. Again, rain showers today. Get ready for some snow tonight. Again, for those who watch our winter weather show, hope you enjoyed it. If not, you can watch it tonight on Fox, 7 o'clock, or you can check it out on our website beginning Friday. I'm pretty sure Friday, possibly into the weekend. Take care, everyone. We'll talk to you again tomorrow.